Hi, I'm Hope, and here we are captivating a godly home inside and out through Christ Jesus. I hope you enjoy the channel. Welcome, and I hope you have a blessed day. Hey y'all, so I'm back from all of the errands for now. So I'm getting ready to open up the Eager to E2M kitchen box. This is a subscription box, and we chose the 21 meals. I would have chose 14. I'll see how Jason will eat them, and the reason why I chose 21 because we're eating together. We're not gonna get it every 2 weeks. We're only gonna get it once a month, and I think that'll work for us. I think you can do 7 meals, you can do 14, and you can do 21, and you can get it every 2 weeks. I'm not sure if you do 3 weeks, but I know you can do monthly. So let me open this up, y'all. It was a pretty big box. It came really quick. E2M kitchen is out of Charleston, so I'm in North Carolina, so it gets to me really quick. Hey y'all, so it comes in dry ice, and this was something that Jeff, the creator and the owner of E2M, wanted to do for a while because there were people in the group that just needed easy meals, convenient meals, and also there were people in the group that didn't cook. Like I had family members who don't cook who joined E2M, and it didn't really go that well for them because they're not cookers. But anyway, here's the dry ice. So let me move this, y'all. Put that on the floor. Move this. I'm excited. So my accountability partners, one of them, she gets these, I think the 14 meals once a month. I'm Hope, and she uses it like in between when she doesn't have time to cook. So that's what I wanted it for, because it's just crazy. Welcome. Some days around here, being in class, and then we may not have as much leftovers, and Jason's looking for something to take to work. So let me pull everything out, y'all, and show you. So you see everything is like really still frozen. Okay, y'all, so here are all the meals. So if you're new to the channel, welcome, and I should have said that a long time ago. But E2M is a wellness lifestyle fitness program that our friend Brian introduced us to. He did and still is doing well. I think he lost over 80 some pounds. My accountability partner, she reached her goal, which was inspiration to me because she's currently around the weight. No, she was at the weight that I am at now, and now she's like past, she's like, I don't want to say what her weight is because she may not want me to say, but she's past the 199. And so anyway, y'all, she lost over 50 some pounds. So y'all, I just need this to help because I've been so busy. Like some days, like I had to do today, like pick up the rotisserie chicken. It wasn't done all the way, and I still didn't have time. And I just need something. I think Jason needs something too. Meals are clean. They are they don't have a lot of sodium in them. They're fresh, and they're of course E2M approved. So this one over here is the red pepper shrimp. I thought I got 2 of these, y'all, because my accountability partner told me that the shrimp is the best, and I don't know why I didn't get more of the shrimp. I must have accidentally didn't hit 2. So I also have the cilantro salmon over here, so if I can kind of lift it up, I got 2 of these. I love salmon, so I can't wait to try that, but I should have got 2 of this one. Okay, y'all, so this is the shredded chicken tahini, if you can really see that. So here are like some directions for it. And then the taco beef bowl, which you can see. And then I got 2 of those, the garlic and beef herb over here. Looks like it has carrots in it. This one over here, the salmon fajita. So it has some fajita peppers and stuff. And Jason's not a big fan of salmon, so I only got 1 of those. And then what else I have? the peri salmon of this one. This is the beef burrito bowl. Did I show this one already? I feel like I have, but maybe I didn't. And y'all, you can go to E2Mkitchen.com to look at it. I also get their coffee too. I'll talk about that in 1 second. The garlic chicken and mushroom. And they also have cookbooks. So with E2M, it's only $320. You can break that up in payments. I think they just had an enrollment. So every 8 weeks, they have an enrollment. They open up the doors. And then it's so much motivation. They give you workouts. I'll talk about that. Let me finish this. So then some lemon herb chicken. That looks good. And then lastly, the Thai steak. So there are probably a couple other ones that I didn't get. I know I didn't get. Let's see, did I show all of them? Because some of them weren't dupes. But I tried to get 2 of each. And I probably should have got more shrimp. I thought I got more shrimp. I thought I got every shrimp that they had. But I must have didn't. But yeah. We've been on the program since June of last year. Off and on, messing up. But as long as you don't quit, you're making a difference in your health. You don't quit and keep going. So I finally punched the button, bit the bullet, and did the E2M kitchen. I have the cookbooks, which is so helpful because the very first round when we started, they didn't have the cookbooks yet. And of course, they didn't have the E2M kitchen. This started, I think, in January. They have now coffee now. So a lot of people love their coffee. They don't want to drink it black. So Jeff went out and negotiated with I think Charleston Coffee Exchange, Charleston, and their coffee is really good already, their regular ones, and so they made their own brand of coffee. My favorite is Wit's coffee. I see they have a new pumpkin one. I usually get the K-Cups. I probably shouldn't say this because my accountability partner said they always sold out. But what I did was, y'all, they have a sampler. So you can try the sampler first and you see which one you like the most. When I go on there, it's never sold out. But yeah, y'all, this will make a big difference. When one of my accountability partners, when she said she had this, and I was like, I need this. I waited another round. I waited. And then I said, I need this in my life. And then something else I was gonna say, and then when I just simply did not have time to prepare anything, I was like, I need this because I have goals that I want to hit, and this will really help. But I hope this is helpful, y'all. Just don't give up, keep trying. Like, I got my workout in now. I get up early. I may not consistently get up at 5, but who would have thought that I'll be getting up at 5 and 6 and 7 and you know, trying to get my water in. Well, I always kind of did that, but trying to stop to eat. Don't eat past 8 o'clock or whatever your window you choose in your fasting window. I try to stop at 8 because, you know, get older and I can't digest that food well. But it's also probably what you're eating too. I can tell the difference in my body when I'm eating certain things. You just want that lab work to come back great, which it comes back great, but you want it to continue to come back great, y'all. And then I can tell it in my energy level, when I'm working out, when I'm doing what I'm supposed to do, taking my vitamins and everything. So, you know, I don't want to be one of them people that obsess about it. You know, y'all might hear me talk about it. It's just I want to reach my goal weight. I'm fine with being a size 12, 11, 10. You know, I just want to have some other small goals to eliminate to get to my weight. But, you know, if you feel like you struggle with the scale, or you struggle with, oh, if I just lose this weight, I'll get a man, or if I just lose this weight, I'll be happy. And what happened is you need to pray and ask the Lord to make you happy, which I have done that. Make yourself happy. Oh, Lord, let me see the beauty in myself. You know, even if even if I don't see it right now, I want to see the beauty in myself. I want to look in the mirror and love the person who I am. And he truly will, y'all. When you learn who you are in Christ, he truly will. Ask him for those little things. I ask him for help me to be more domestic at home sometimes. And he truly will, those little things. And one day your mind will just totally just shift just like that. And you're like, he answered that prayer. He answered that prayer. And don't be afraid to talk to him just like a friend, y'all. But do that. You just want to be around for your family. I want to be around for my grandkids, my great grandkids, see a couple of them. You know what I mean? I don't want my kids to be having to wait on me hand and foot, or them to wait on me because I'm tired or need to sit down and take a break. You know what I mean? Just those different things. And truly enjoy life when my well, I enjoy life now, but you know, when my kids are out and grown, when it's just Jason and I, you know, because the struggle was real when they was little, real little. So those are the reasons why I always bring it up, and it's just down in my heart. And I learned that if the Lord gives you something and it just keeps coming back, that he already has shown you what he has for you. You do have to work towards it, but he's already shown you if it just doesn't go away. So anyway, y'all, I'll see y'all in the very next video. And then your children are watching. Yeah, they're watching you. Your family is watching you. So make those habits so you can set those habits for your children's children, and y'all. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Love y'all. Sorry it's chatty. But I hope y'all have a great day, y'all. Bye.